on? Mike here. Oh man, I've been busy. Sorry I haven't kept up with you guys since the year started. I've been trying to bounce back. I got a mic coming so you guys can hear me better. It's just time, you know. That's not enough time in the day. I got other things I'm trying to do. Answering people's questions. I'm sorry if I haven't got back with you on Instagram or, you know, that fast. I've just been really busy. If you notice, I haven't been putting up a lot of pictures that much. I'm gonna start doing that soon. It's just that when I was sick, I didn't really have no time to put no pictures up, man. I was just trying to get through the day and work, and that lasted for a good time. The beginning of this week, I've been good. Just been catching up, busy. Just the end of my days have been you know, dealing with my daughter and stuff like. So it's like I haven't really had that much time to get with you guys, but yeah, I'm still out here. I'm still working. I have there's a lot of questions people still asking me about how to get into appliance repair, and you know, I always tell people I refer them back to other old videos, but it's like, man, it's so the main thing I want to stress is because my wife was like, but he might not know which video to watch, and the main thing I said, watch all of them. Watch every single one of them. Watch videos that's not on my channel. Watch all the content you can if you want to get into appliance repair. That's pretty much what I can say. If you're working another job, you get off work, watch some appliance repair stuff, study some appliance repair stuff, work on washers, dry, anything you want to do to get into this industry, because it is definitely lucrative. It's definitely worth it. This year, beginning of this year too, I've been seeing more and more referrals. Like I just left one COD referral with somebody. The lady was like, "Oh, I don't remember the lady, but she was at the gym, and it was at the gym. It's two of them." She's like, "Yeah, she gave us your numbers, and she said you could come highly recommended." I'm like, I wish I knew who the customer was, but anytime I do, people say they referred to me, they always get $10 off the service charge. So that's my my thing right there. You know, I'll take money off the service charge when you get referred. So yeah, man, it's been great, because warranty companies are good. They're always good to have, but sometimes it's just like it's tough dealing with them, and you just want to get away from them for the moment. There's another company I got with, SMS Assist. It's a property management company. They look very, very promising. I'm just getting with them this week. We have a training session that my wife's gonna do tomorrow, so we'll see how this thing goes, how much extra work they give me, because I'd rather deal with direct property management, paying me directly, than dealing with some warranty companies. But we'll see how that goes. You know, it's main thing is to do whatever you can, research, get all the knowledge you can, especially when you're already in business, to maintain and you know, pretty much know how to keep business flowing in. I'm gonna get on my SEO. Definitely got to get with my brother Mario on that. Shout outs to you, man. Polar Air Appliance Repair. Make sure if you're in the Baltimore area, hit him up. I had to shout you out real quick. Other than that, man, just there's a lot of people, a lot of guys that want to get into appliance repair now, and it's great. It's really, really great that the trade is flourishing, more so than it would be, because like I still have people or customers that go there and thinking I'm an electrician or a plumber and I'm just working on appliances. I'm like, no, I'm an appliance repair technician. This is what I do. So yeah, and it's crazy how it's not as known as, say, like an electrician or plumber. So, you know, that's why I'm glad everything is you know, working out for but yeah, thanks for all the people that subscribe, liking the videos, commenting still. I appreciate all of you. Yeah, the main things I want to do for this year is I don't want to start doing I want to say training, but more doing videos on like a GoPro inside of a house, and how I deal with certain customers, because I have a lot of return customers. And I actually talked to one of my customers and let them and told him I had a YouTube channel, and one of the main thing we talked about, the main thing is showing the process on how I do a service call, because everybody might do a service call differently. The main thing I would think that's the same is your personability. Like, all of us have to be, nice guys or nice women if you're a woman, but just in general, a nice person to try and I don't want to say sell yourself, but why I get a lot of referrals is because I'm a nice guy, people like me, and I do good work. But the first thing I said is because I'm a nice guy and people like me. Doing good work comes after the fact. So as long as people like you and you're a nice guy, then you get a chance to show them the type of work because some people don't even want to let you in their houses, nowadays. It's crazy. But I've had a lot of situations where, just like I keep saying, just off of people liking me, I'll get phone calls back. And that's why I can't stress that enough. It's Appliance Repair is kind of like, I don't want to say kind of like, it's kind of like sales too. You're selling yourself. I mean, you are selling the repair once you get to the repair, and that's how you do things. It's just, I don't know, going into this new year, having a vision of me hiring somebody, getting my van wrapped. There's a lot of things I got to do, but I've been busy, and I've been thankful that I have been busy. Because after coming off of this vacation, I spent some money, and just got to make some money back up, but not nothing like that. It's just, it is what it is. I'm good. I'm very, very good. Trust me. Appliance Repair is definitely, like I tell people before, if you know what you're doing and you do it right, you will be making six figures after a while. I talked to Mike. Shout out to Mike Miner. I'm shouting out everybody today that I'm thinking about. That's my boy. Main thing we were talking about is like, man, just getting out here, doing what you got to do, staying focused, and knowing how, I want to say the cycle, because you're gonna have ups and downs. You'll have slow times, you'll have busy times. Some people will always be busy. I don't know how, it depends on how you approach it. For me, I like when the up and down of it, I like, because when you get it good, and then sometimes, you got a slow week. You can relax a little bit, catch up on paperwork, catch up on training, whatever you have to do, you can do when those times, but there's always going to be ups and downs, and you have to prepare yourself for the downtime sometimes. And I tell people, put money up, save money, be smart. Another thing too is what I want to tell people that I keep forgetting. When I started my business, the main thing I worked on too is my credit, and my credit is in the 7s. Like, I have good credit now. Like, before I started my business, my credit was in the 5s. So I mean, that's one thing you want to work on as well, because that's how I was able to get my van, able to get, in my business name with a good percentage. I mean, you'll probably still be able to get certain things, but just, it looks better. And then, I don't know, that's the main thing. Credit will take you a long way, and building your business credit too. I have now I have a second one, but I have 2 credit cards in my business name. My Marcone accounts. Just anything you can do to get your business to flourish, or being separate from yourself. I have an LLC that I just switched. Well, I started with an LLC. I'm an S Corp now for tax reasons. But yeah, man, it's just make sure you have good people in your corner too to give you good advice, not just on appliance repair, but just life in general. Like, that's why I say I'm thankful for the guys that I know that yeah, they're older than me, they have more knowledge than me and wisdom, so I try to soak it in just in life in general. But when it comes to appliance repair, that's kind of like a, I always say this, you can know people that's younger than you, that's younger than me, that know a little bit more of me, say on that model, this model. So when it comes to that, it's like we all got to help each other out. But you still got to respect people who've been on this earth longer than you to know, like, look, you got a little bit more knowledge, but hey, some people are stupid. I understand that, but it is what it is. So yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys. Nothing too major. Van a little dirty. Oh, shout out to my last customer I just left. I don't know what it is yet, but they gave me this. I know it's a drink. I don't know what type of drink. It's probably alcoholic, but you know, that's one thing. You know, you have good customers, and this lady, older folks, they're like, Mike, we have a community board in their community, and it's like, I'm always posting you, and any of my neighbors have any issues, I'm always recommending you. And I'm like, that's the main, you just got to be nice to people, you know, be nice to people. Certain customers, like if they're first meeting me, I'll cut, you know, give them a discount on the repair just to keep their business, you know, and let them know, hey, I let them know up front, say, hey, you know, I gave you a good deal, you know, just initially get you in the, you know, I'm upfront with people, and they're like, oh, I appreciate that. Like, I usually charge this, I usually charge that. You know, you gotta be upfront with people. Be honest. I mean, yeah, this, you know, let's just be real. Sometimes you gotta be like 98 to 99% honest with a lot of things. You know, that 1-2%. You know, there's other little things. As long as the repair is going in. You know, honesty. I'm talking about. You might charge them a little more on the back end on certain things for labor or not, because that's just what it is. But I don't know, man. It's hard for me to understand how a lot of guys are in business and they don't go back to people's houses. They don't you know, make sure they follow up. You know, that's just how, I mean, warranty work is a little different. Sometimes you have to let the customer know, especially after 30 days, or if it's a different issue within the 30 days. Look, I can't come back out until you call it in so I can get authorization or whatnot. You know, certain things are different like that. But when it's COD calls, it's like, you know, you got to do what you got to do. All my CODs, like I said, I make sure I take care of them, and that's how it goes. But didn't want to make this video too long. Like I said, shout out to all my guys, every people that just helped me out. You know, just, it is what it is, man. Today I just wanted to put a video out there real quick to let you guys know I'm still here, and just been busy. I'm no longer sick. I'm back at it, and it is what it is. But I'm gonna come with some more content and some more information on the next video. So yeah, you guys take care.